Hold on. Yeah, no, I see, man. Ba-da-ba-ba-now. See if that's working. All right. Bow. Shut up, mate. I haven't even played it yet. Shut up. Shut up, mate. What are you on about? Mate, have you sent me an invite? I haven't even got in a car yet, mate. What should I do? Should I just have a quick solo?
In Quick Race Weekend.
Quick what? Nah. All the cars are unlocked anyway. Yeah. Ha! Go do the what, mate? Oh, mate, I was just gonna have a little spin and a focus. Literally just having a spin, mate. Oh, you received an invitation, Daniel. Got my PlayStation camera on now. Yeah, no. So I get one, yeah? Oh, mate, hold on. I'm loaded into Dubai Autodrome International. You reckon this game's good, yeah? What's changed for you?
Keep an eye on the lights, watch out for wheel spin, and let's nail this start. Green, green, green.
Oh, I don't like that view. Jesus Christ. Oh, I just got ruined, mate.
Okay, we've got a warning from the race director for cutting the track. Need to respect the track limits, keep it on the island.
I get slaughtered, mate. Can't even hear you over the sound of the engine. Oh my God. I got this now. Oh no. Go! Oh my god! Braking on this is solid, mate. Man, I can't hear you. I can't hear you at all, hardly. All I can hear is the car. I'll have to turn the volume down of the game. Braking is so hard. Handbrake. Oh my god, man. Oh, I'm all over this guy. Oh no, he done me.
That was a great pass, fantastic.
Oh, I'll be honest, this game's tricky, man. I finished 12th. Right, mate, I need to turn the game volume down or something. Because it is loud. It's loud. Where's like options and stuff? Where's that? Oh, it's on the settings. Party. Where am I going? Yeah. Yeah. Party settings. Adjust audio mix. Got you. Alright, see if that works. Mate, you sending me an invite? Hold on, just grabbing a drink. Oh, fuck! Formula what? Mate, please remember this is my second game on here, mind, alright? Straight T, I got it from Game Mate in store. Can't really tell you if it's good yet, mate, because I've played one game and I got slaughtered. But my mate's playing it and he's saying it's absolutely awesome. I don't mind racing games, to be honest. So it's meant to be good, like realistic and shit. You received an invitation. Decline. Oh, mate, what's going on? Join. UK straight. UK, buddy. Cannot tell with my stupid accent. I'm actually about to play my mate now. My mate, he's streaming as well. He's got he's played it for ages, mate. He's gonna destroy me, and he thinks he's the man. Vote to change, mate. I can vote to change. How do you start it then? Dan? Oh, vote to start session. I get you. Mate, you're gonna ruin me. You're gonna ruin me, Daniel. You're gonna ruin me, mate. Me and Ron Burgundy are sat here gonna get absolutely slaughtered. Oh, I'm not sure if it's on PSN, mate. I'm not sure. It's I got it on disc. Oh, apparently it's not out in America, dude. I'm guessing you're from America, yeah? Straight? Now, what are we doing? Just multiplayer session lobby, is that it? Push X? Yeah? Dan? What are we doing, mate? What are we doing? Hold on. Yeah, man, I don't think it's out in the US yet, dude. Dan, what are we doing? Just driving, yeah? I can't hear you, mate. Can't even see the track. Oh, Christ. Well, this is fun, Dan. Oh, this is gonna suck, guys. Daniel, what have you got me doing? What have you got me doing? Why have you got me playing my first game on this in a Formula 1 car in the rain? Oh, Dan, what are you doing, mate? I haven't even played this game before. Mate, how do I get back to the pits? Yeah. Dan, you're a prick, mate. First game, and you, mate, serious. Mate, just set it up so at least stay on the track. Oh, fucking hell, mate, why are we playing that first off? Hold on, you put it in manual. I've just noticed you put it in manual. No one knows, just getting teared up. Such a prick, mate. Such a prick. I didn't know it was on manual. Fuck. Mate, this is taking like all of my concentration to drive here. Alright. Whoa, hold on. Oh my god. No, I ruined it! This is ridiculous. Dan, I haven't even finished one lap yet, mate. Fucking track, man. I think I've done one lap. Shit. Oh, never. No! Dan, you are such a prick, mate. Mate, I could barely do a lap. Mate, why have you got me doing this? How long did it take you to play manual? How long did it take before you went manual gears? Yeah. But 4 hours, right? How long has it taken you to play a track in the wet? So it's your first one, right? This is my second go. I ain't even been on it for 10 minutes, mate. Oh, he's such a prick. Come on then, mate. Are we having a race then or what? I'm not just... Oh, what do you mean this is qualifying? How? I can't sit on the track, mate. No, mate, just go skip to... vote to skip to next session. Just start at the back. That's where I'm going to finish. Yeah, you can. Go to the pits. Yeah, right. Go to multiplayer session lobby or whatever it's called. Yeah, alright. Fucking hell, mate. A solid, man. I was waiting for you, mate. I've hit as well. Hold on. Man, I'm pushing it, mate. Mate, I've done it. Oh, mate, let's get out of this and just do a normal race, man. This is ridiculous, mate. It's seriously not... This is not any fun at all, mate. Mate, I don't want to do it with manual gears, you prick. It was manual. In mine it was. Oh, hold on, how come I had manual gears then? Shut up, you prick. Mate, how come I was on manual then? That's not fair. Yeah. Just send me an invite, mate. Mate, why are we doing qualifying? Just start, man. Just want to race. Oh, go on then. Do quick qualifying then. But mate, mate, I haven't done any of the track. I don't know. Just do any one. I haven't. I've literally just turned this on. All right, because I know it like the back of my hand. Fucking do it in the day, mate. Just nice sunny day. Yeah. No, mate. No, do it, mate. I haven't raced yet. Man, I haven't once had a go on this. I think you've been a prick, personally. Where's Scott? Is Scott playing? Oh, is he? Join. Join. Right, hold on, mate. Hold on. Right, how do I make it so I'm not manual gears and all that crap? Hold on, I can see someone saying random there. What's that all about, Dan? Yeah, of course it is, mate. Man, seriously, if it's raining, I'll fuck off and do my own thing, man. Damage. Hold on. Where's that? Ah, fuck it, mate. I'll beat you with it. Come on, let's go. I'll be honest, mate, at the moment, this game's shit. I prefer Drive Club and Forza at the moment. Man, at the moment, all I've done is just spin off a track, mate. Let's have a go at it then, come on. Try and beat someone that's probably already put 20 hours into the game. Hey, shut up, you were on streaming yesterday for 10 hours. Did you? What cars are we in? Mate, why are we in the Formula 1 fucking cars? Well, mate, it's like the longest pit lane in the world. Fucking hell, mate. Someone just nudged me. Oh, dear. Oh, get off the grass, man! Dan, I'll see you later, mate. Mate, I've not played the game. No, I don't, mate. I've literally just started playing the game, mate. So I'll go start a solo career or something, mate.
This is
need to learn the game.
The footsteps of your favorite racing.
Create a driver. You've been playing it for fucking 2 days? Nah, but mate, playing straight in Formula 1. That's alright. Why can't I? Hold on. Nationality. Shh. It's British then. What nationality? My nationality is United Kingdom, is it? Alright, hold on a minute, mate, let's just do a normal race, yeah? Hold on, let me set this up. Mate, what tier should I do? Should I be in tier 8, yeah? To start off with. tier 8, yeah?
Congratulations.
Alright. Right, I'll escape. I'll get out of this. Shut up. How do I go back to the main screen? Hold on.
Here,
Go create.
You can create your own.
Let me ratio them again. Right, how do I invite you, mate? That'll do. Hold on. Where are you? Set to what? Private. How do I do that? No. Where's that? Oh, yeah. Fill with AI opponents. Opponents all identical cars. Roll and start. No. Alright. Should we just start, yeah? Yeah, fuck you, man. Oh. Shut up, mate. Bow. I thought there wasn't meant to be that much loading time on these games. Yeah, there is. It's a beast of a loading time, mate. What are we doing? You're straight into a race? Alright, mate. Alright, I'm second on the grid. Where are you? At the back?
Green. Go.
You're at the back? Good, mate. That's what you get. Oh, this is better, mate. And why is that guy going? Ah, what a prick. Mate, what's handbrake? Is it really, or are you being a prick? Don't like this camera view as well. You better shut up about the McGann, mate. McGann will tear you up. I'm about to do a lap where I think I've stayed on the track the whole time. Oh, that was terrible. Oh, what a prick. I don't know, mate. Oh, I'm all over the place, mate. Eighth. Why do I have to pit in? Said pit in. Oh shit, man. Oh shit! Yeah, I was looking on the map, mate, thinking, oh no, I was meant to go in the pits. I just absolutely wiped out that guy. I don't know if my car's gonna last another lap. Silver. Well, handbrake is not the fuck? Mate, I don't know. I need to play the game properly, mate. I don't even know what handbrake is. Trying to rip round some corners. Mate, the braking is solid compared to Project, no, not Project, Drive Club. I was gonna say Project Gotham then. Box you out, mate. No, I'm sideways, mate. No. I'm coming for you now. Fucking hell, the braking on this game is solid. Oh mate, I'm not going to be able to catch you, I don't think. Oh mate, I'm miles away. You slow down, give me a chance. Oh mate, you have no idea how hard I'm concentrating right now. How many bloody laps are we doing? Oh no. Oh, you did the same as me, did you? Oh! Mate.
Pit in at the end of this lap. Box, box, box.
Box, box, box. How do I pit? How'd you pit, mate? Yeah, where is it? I haven't even seen it. Oh, I'm not pitting now. That's the pit lane there, yeah? Oh, mate. Yes! Toying with you, mate. Yeah, we're only 32 seconds behind the leader, mate. It's not that bad, is it? Nah, it's close. Oh, shit. Lie down now. Right. What are we doing, mate? Yeah, no problem. You sure you want to leave the multiplayer? Yes. Continue. How do I do it then? Calendar.
The calendar shows the championships, series, and events for all motorsports being held throughout the year. Right now, you'll only be eligible for the motorsport your team is currently participating in. If you want to enter other motorsports, you'll need to impress the teams that race there and sign a new contract with them. The start of your season is today, so let's get some more information on your first event.
Shut up, bitch. Jump to today.
Here you can see all the sessions that take place on this day. You can only enter sessions that are part of your current sport. You can drive, skip, or simulate any of the practice and qualifying sessions. If you skip...
I think she was trying to say something about skipping qualifying then. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, bow. Bow, bow. Bow, bow. Let's do it.
This is your first career race. You can make any final adjustments to your vehicle setup, change tires,
Alright, I'm
and
just
finalize
about
any
doing my
tuning strategies
first
before the
race.
Starts. You'll notice that the
Yeah, man.
simulate and skip to end options are disabled. The number on it indicates the minimum duration
Knees are
that you
ruined
need
from
to
football,
drive
mate.
before you can simulate the rest of the race. Alright, tap the drive button as soon as you're ready to start your race.
Alright. No, it's in the week, mate. Oh, right. Oh, no. Haha, see you later, son! Bloody hell, it's a bit rapid, isn't it? Christ! Oh my god! My last. Mate, this is fucking ridiculous, mate. Seriously, I'm gonna put Drive Club on. You ruined this game for me, mate. By making me play with stupid supercars where I have to brake about an hour early before I get to the bloody corner. I'm gonna get bloody lap, man. Mate. I think I'm gonna have to put Drive Club on. Oh, to be honest, no, I don't really like it, mate, no. I prefer Drive Club. If I'm honest. Oh, I don't know. It's 20 seconds behind the fucking fastest lap, man.
The race results. The drivers are listed.
Oh, it was a race!
This table shows the driver and team standings.
I didn't know there was a race. Oh. Oh, concentrate. Sorry, mate. Sorry, mate. Sorry, mate. Sorry, mate. Oh, what? Fucking tyres, man. Fucking game. Mate, I'm sucking hard at this game. A lot of getting used to, mate. It's going to take a lot of trading in. Mate, this game is rubbish. What difficulty did you play it on? Fucking game, man. This game is dog shit, mate. Mate, I'm not fucking playing this anymore. No, I really don't, mate. Really don't like it. I might play Drive Club instead. Oh man, it's going to take some getting used to, I think. I just can't be bothered. Right, I'm going to play Drive Club.